So the times have changed, and we have been changing right along with the times. Throughout our history, the Hartford Foundation has served this community as a broad-based grant maker, funding organizations and programs that improve the quality of life for those living in the 29 towns we serve, in the areas of arts and culture, health, community and economic development, family and social services, and education. For decades, we've been supporting programs and projects that address education, which we believe is at the core of helping communities thrive. Now, our principal strategic focus is to help create comprehensive, high-quality systems of support that bridge home life, child care, and school settings in order to improve educational outcomes. Collaborating with donors, nonprofits, and community and policy leaders, and building on our own investments and experience, our goal is to ensure that all children in the region, regardless of race, zip code, or economic status, arrive at kindergarten ready to learn and graduate high school prepared to succeed. We realize that this is a long-term goal involving complex systems with many components, and certainly cannot be accomplished by any one entity. But as your community foundation, we are fortunate to be able to take a long-term approach and to convene the right parties and entities, all who recognize that to meet such a challenging goal requires fundamental changes in how the various systems that support children and families work together.